Will 35-inch tires fit on the 2015 Toyota Tundra? So we had 18x9 wheels with 33-inch tires, and now we're actually upgrading, well, downsizing and upgrading the tires. Down to a 17x8.5 0 offset. It used to be 18x9 with a plus 18 offset. So this tire is definitely going to poke out a lot. It's not something that you're supposed to fit on a 2.5-inch lift or level kit. We're on Bilstein 5100. Stuff this tire. Compared to the 33s, I just feel like something's missing. I feel like the Tundra skipped out on leg day at the gym, and now we're gonna beef it up. We're gonna get some 35s on there, or 34.8, but they're the Falken Wildpeak AT3Ws. Let's just get loaded up and send it. So, just like that, we're loaded up, we're ready to go, and
oh god, that was like the cheesy shit, and just like that, guys, we got the truck loaded up with a snap of a finger.
I'm out of breath, Ryan's out of breath, so we magically threw this on the back of the truck, and just snap of a finger, boom, boom, Falken tire, KANSEI wheels. Let's just head over to NPC, get this thing done, because I'm getting nervous. I really do hope it fits. Let me know in the comments, stop this video right now. Let me know in the comments below if you think this is the dumbest idea, the coolest idea, or if you even think it's gonna work. So this is a 275/65 18, and then this is going to actually be a 315/70/17. So you're definitely downsizing on the rim itself, but you're also upgrading the tire. So we're probably looking at least, I don't know, gauging wise, we look about 5-6 inches higher than normal. So it's going to be definitely squeezing in. Now, Ryan, come here real quick. So obviously the front, we're gonna probably have to trim, or Billy is gonna definitely have to trim the front mud guards. And then on the front, we're definitely gonna have to do a BMC. A BMC is a body mount shop. So this is your body mount right here, and it sticks out and it kind of flares out. So you're gonna try and wanna cut that, shave it down, and then have a plate welded right on. And
think it'll fit?
Just use a little bit of spit.
It's definitely gonna be tight. I can't wait to get the phone call. Like, bro, you thought this shit was gonna work?
Yeah, Justin really wanted this to happen, so we're gonna make it. We're gonna try.
Yeah, I don't know, bro. There's some big boys.
Yeah, it's like you're trying to, you know. I don't think it's gonna work, you know, but I mean,
you're gonna need more than just spit.
Here you go. Carry this joint,
bro.
Hey, I did that shit. You do it too,
bro.
Right. I'm taking a video of this. Well, thank you for that, sir. Whoever you were, hope you watched this video.
So we can't go into knee powder coating right now due to the fact of coronavirus still, and the cases are still going up. Billy's a really close friend, but I just want to respect the values of everything. There's no VIPs, there's no handouts, there's no nothing. It's staff only in there, so we're just going to respect those rules. And we're gonna come back for the truck in a couple of hours. We're probably looking at like maybe 3 hours of them doing the modifications, and then we'll go from there. That truck looks so ugly right now.
Yours?
Yeah.
Tito Boy.
Tito Boy built.
Tito Bill, oye, pare.
We're at the best taco joint in New Jersey. We are at Carlito's Barbecue. He's an alcoholic, he'll drink anything.
I know, but it's pretty good.
Yeah.
So good.
I had one the other day. The spicy is spicy.
I know, but it's so good.
Yeah. Like you have to add more tequila just to dilute it. They welded already.
What the hell?
And they already painted the one side.
What the hell? They're so fast. What is up, everybody? I got 3 tacos and then they got 3 more tacos.
Yo, if we hit 10 mil subscribers,
Not if one.
when we hit 10 million subscribers, my OnlyFans link drops in the description.
You think we're gonna start subscribing? Turn that shit off.
We ain't never go.
Rob basically told me, he's like, bro, who the hell told you that this shit's gonna fit? And I'm like, Mad Forum said it's gonna fit. And then he's like, but he goes, the front, your whole front bumper's ready to fall up. So we're probably gonna have to get shims for the front bumper to push it. So I'm pumped on it. I think it's gonna look sick, but he told me it looks really, really good. So I'm not even gonna look at my phone. He said he was gonna send some teaser stuff. So we're just gonna end up doing what we have to do. And we'll go from
Demonetize this whole video. We're gonna make this shit hit.
That's kind of cool. It's hard.
Roll my bitch ass with my cock. Super handily all-wheel drive.
Oh, okay. She okay. She can take corners.
With the super handily all-wheel drive.
Follow V-Dub Rob. Let's go.
See, like if you look here, if you were up a little bit more, you see how your angle is?
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
But if any higher.
Yeah.
You guys killed it. You guys literally did that like NASCAR pit stop shit.
Yo, you wanna get in the video?
Want to get in the vlog?
I mean, this camera's not good.
Next is his truck.
Is that the same? Yeah, Keith's going in right now, bro. This man really got the whole setup. Damn, what's up, Keith? You good?
Bro, Justin drives like a maniac. I was drinking a margarita.
Did I do that literally when
I was drinking a margarita in the car.
Wait, wait.
You can't say that.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Drinking a high C in the car. And Justin drives like a maniac.
What car was you driving?
I'm driving, Ryan's driving my car.
What? It's not a
playing,
grandma
I'm playing.
car. You got a turbo. That's cool, right? Turbo? The boy Keith right now, bro. Put in that work.
Can't get up.
All right, guys. Special thanks to Falken Tire, Steve Wong, Nick Fusakis, just the whole entire team. Rich Lange, calling you out right now. I got your protege sitting right here. Wipe that camera right there. Boom. But it was really, really awesome shooting with the AT3W. We have a little bit of plastic trim that we're gonna have to kind of push in, but other than that, it does fit, guys. Like 35s do fit. We bent the bracket on the fog light, so everything's kind of situated in there, and there's nothing that's gonna be there's really nothing to worry about. But other than that, the KANSEI wheels look super JDM on the Tundra. It's like that Vogue TE37 if it was a 5-spoke bod. It has a nice concave, but not oversized where it looks like a Jeep. It kind of has its own taste, its own style, and I really, really like how it looks. Now, with the Falken AT3Ws, they ride so smooth, they don't howl. I was on the Toyo, what the hell were they? Toyo Open Countries, and this is a mud terrain tire, guys. Like, this is like an actual mud terrain tire, and it does not hum, howl, make any noise, any vibration, and I still need to go for an alignment. So I'm super pumped on the way that everything kind of worked out, and I cannot thank Ryan and Keith for getting us out here. We also have another surprise too, that moving forward, we're gonna drop in the videos, but we needed to have some type of truck content. I wish we were able to do it ourselves. We don't have a shop anymore, and we couldn't really film with Billy due to the fact that we were just respecting their rules. Guys, respect the COVID rules, wear your mask. Me, Ryan, and Keith have been wearing masks, but we're already we've been tested, and that's why we're not wearing masks and stuff like that. But definitely abide by your rules, and then everything will be good to go. So special thanks to these guys. I can't thank them enough. We're gonna be posting up content every single week. I know you guys are gonna love it. You guys probably watched The Gambler, and you probably watched the AirTech Flirp show. So let me know in the comments below on how you like this team. I'm really loving how everything's turning out. Ryan behind the camera.
Yo, smash that like button. Leave a comment. What you think about us? What you like? You know, let me know the vibe.
What was that shooting?
What's the vibe?